Hi, I'm Lisa Ryan, and you're probably here because you want more effective employee engagement strategies, but you're not sure how to get started. Well, my friend, you're in the right place. Since 2009, I've helped hundreds of organizations develop strategies to keep their top talent from becoming someone else's. And you'll definitely want to stick around to the end of this video to see how you can get 100 more tips that you can use immediately. So today's tip, get rid of toxic employees. Just one problem employee can destroy the culture of an organization. When a problem employee causes others to leave, think about it. Who jumped ship? Your worst employees or your best ones? Yep, the best ones. So how do you do this? Have a correction active plan in place. Offer coaching and retraining before the formal discipline process shows the effort that you put in as an employer to help your employee change. Train your managers in proper documentation techniques. Remember, if it's not written down, it didn't happen. And there are no employees that you can't live without. It's never easy to fire someone, but sometimes that's your only option. It's a business decision. The rest of your team will breathe a sigh of relief when they're gone. If you like these kind of tips, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Also, you can get your own copy of 101 Awesome Ways to Elevate Employee Engagement by clicking on the link in the description below. See you next time.